Hey, good morning. This is Karen Colville, and I'm here at the Glacial Valley Farm. And I'm just doing a kind of selfie vlog video. Anyhow, I got my lucky Weldon Henson t-shirt on. Shout out to Weldon. Yeah, God has blessed us with a beautiful artist retreat. And I have some friends in the background. Hang on. Okay. There's the kids. Hey! Hey! And I'm going to meet my boyfriend. Hello. Hi, Betty. Hey! Hi, good morning. How are you? Yeah, he's good. He's good. Thanks for coming to see me. Good morning. You having a nice time in the sun? Hey? Yeah? Good. Beautiful day out today. There's some geese. Oh. Geese is wandering down a pond. There we go. Going to get some shade because it's sunny today. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Are you my boyfriend? You're my boyfriend, aren't you? He's so sweet. There we go. Hey, little goat. Good morning. Go. Hey. So we're all friends here at the farm, and I'm here doing some paintings. I'm awe-inspired by these beautiful glacial peaks here, and it's not an easy task to do because it's really detailed, and but there's so much beauty and just such a creative energy, and I thank the Creator and the people of this land, the Squamish people, for honoring our presence, and to the family that is hosting us. And it's just one of the most beautiful retreats I have ever been on as an artist. And this is such a peaceful and calm place to be able to create. So I wanted to share that with you today, and just have a really good time here. Just chilling and getting into the farm vibe. This is my roots. This is where I come from. And to have this opportunity to be away from, well, I'm glad to have my access points in the city because that's important for health. A lot of people, it takes a lot, so that's why I learned self-care. And yeah, so there's so much to see and do here, but you can discover that for yourself. Okay, so anyway, just thought I'd check in and say hey. Okay, good one. Bye for now.